Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. This one here is off the charts. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got another bad creation to show you by Matteo Dini. This guy got down on this watch face, and you can see why it made the cut for watch face of the week. The name of this watch face is called MD97. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get a different look on the Gears 2 than you will on the Gears 3. They both look good. They both give you all the information you can ever need to see at a glance. But when the watch face is on, you get the best of both worlds. You get analog and digital in one watch. Now, I like the fact that if you look down at the bottom at the digital time, they have the day written out along with the year. I like that look. If you look right up over Tuesday, you'll see a red dot. That just represents what month it is. So we're in the second month, which is February. Nice look. Right here, you get your moon phase. You also get your date here. If you tap on it, it is interactive. So I like that part about it. If you go over here, you get info on floors climbed, your heart rate, your steps. Those are interactive as well. Now this bar right here represents whether you completed your goal or not, right? And I completed mine. I'm all the way at the top. Good deal. Right here, you get info on your battery. So I'm liking the look of this watch face. And if you look around the bezel of the watch, if I need to go into my contacts, settings, get my messages, phone, get my music, if I tap on it the right way, I can go into it at will. So I'm loving these shortcuts. It makes it super convenient. And he gave you all the ones that you would normally use on a smartphone. So I'm liking this look. And if I double tap, you can cycle through the many colors that this developer has given us in this watch face, and they all look great. So I'm liking this one. Now, what really stands out about this watch face that takes it over the top is that you can set a favorite. And setting a favorite is very important. So if I double tap right here, it's going to bring up so many applications that I can cycle through for the ones I want to set. Let's say I want to set Find My Phone, right? So now when I single tap on the name of the watch face, it's going to bring up Find My Phone. So I like that shortcut. You don't have to hit any buttons. You don't have to go into any other applications. Single tap and you're in. Listen guys, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Is it a download or not? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos that I drop on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out. And with that, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.